Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty. Welcome to my channel, Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. Friends, in today's video, I like to share my thoughts about certain questions which I get pretty much asked every day by my clients or the people I meet in the marketplace is how is the market? Is it a good time to buy property and where the market is heading? So first thing folks, I like to always tell in my blogs or my videos, you can check like 1 year ago, 2 years ago, I always say please stay away from negative media, all the fear mongers, because long term, whether you buy stocks or quality real estate at a good location, you can't go wrong. Short term, yes, markets are driven by consumer confidence, and sometimes let's say you're looking to buy a stock of Home Depot, Costco, Pepsi. Those stocks, maybe if they miss some numbers, consumer confidence go low and people just start selling like crazy. It impacts maybe prices short term, maybe 1 quarter, 2 quarter, 1 years, 2 years, but eventually a quality company will always bounce back. For example, in my retirement, I have some stocks, and one of the companies I own is Pepsi. So this is a rock star drink. Once in a while, I just like enjoying this one. So this is owned by Pepsi. So even the stocks sometimes go in 1 or 2 quarters down, but they are paying me quarterly dividend. So same thing, as an investor, real estate investor, I own properties long term. Yes, short term, my interest went up last year. Some of the renewal this year, my interest went up. Some are break even, some I'm putting money out of a pocket. But yes, my rents, are coming on time. At the same time, I'm not planning to sell any of those properties, which I own for next couple of years. So long term, I'm bullish. Short term, no one knows how market is going to act, because people are driven by consumer, they are driven by sentiments and the media news. And especially in real estate right now, rates are very high, making it really tough for first time buyers to qualify. So if you listen to our politicians in Canada, they always talk about making life easy for first time buyers. They said we're going to make the housing affordability, but I deal with mortgage brokers on a daily basis. It is getting like crazy. The alternate lenders, what we call B lenders, the stress test is sitting crazy at 8.5 or 9% these days, because people know that a few years ago, they introduced stress test, meaning if you're getting interest rate of 2.5, 3% few years back, they qualify 2 basis point on top of that. But right now the rates are kind of really crazy. I personally feel there's no logic to keep the stress test in place. Second thing is, if you're buying your primary house, folks, you're buying for 10, 15, 20 years to live there. Eventually your mortgage will be paid off and all the capital gains or appreciation will be tax exempt. So that is one of the biggest benefits, folks, we have. And I know a lot of my friends, families or clients who own these properties for 15, 20 years. And now, they have wealth creation. They take the same money, start new businesses or buy other investments. So real estate, according to me, is the biggest wealth creator. And the people who know me, they know the most of my money goes, towards real estate. So I invest most of my savings in real estate. I save 20%, 30% depending on the area. And I buy quality real estate in good cities and hold long term. Second thing is, as we all know, the government says we are bringing 1.5 million immigrants, in next couple of years, 2-3 years. Most of those immigrants, folks, will be coming to our province, which is Ontario. We have lot of jobs here. We have, lot of world-class universities. Weather is, still better than certain other provinces in Canada. We have many US borders, and everybody knows, 401 is the busiest highway in North America. We have lot of trade with US going that way. I'm very bullish, folks, for 8, 10, 15 years. indeed, but please make sure when you're buying real estate, don't overpay and work with a knowledgeable agent who know what they're doing. Second thing is it a good time to buy? So what you have to see, folks, if you're on a still rental treadmill, you have to see in my city, whatever rent am I paying? Can I own some property with 10-15% down? This is actually a great opportunity. If your job is stable, you want to live in the property for next 8, 10, 15 years, and there's minimal debt. If you're a couple or even young professional, get into the housing market because that is your wealth creator. Short term prices go up and down, but you shouldn't worry about it unless you're a speculator. So the question comes, who should not buy real estate, July or maybe in next 6 months, 1 year? Only the people who are speculating on appreciation. Investors or speculators who are looking to purchase maybe pre-construction or resale homes with intention of flipping in 6 months to 1 year, they should be really thoughtful and think twice before doing it because markets can be volatile. Personally, I believe next 6 months to 1 year can be very, very volatile, but I believe in my heart maybe by next summer 2024 interest rate cuts will come. But short term, maybe in September, who knows, they'll increase the interest rate quarter point. So is it a good time to buy? Yes, if you have a stable life, stable job, and you intend to live in the city or your house for next 5, 10, 15 years, by all means, go for it. Renting doesn't make sense. Look around, see how the rental market is doing in your marketplace. There was an article, I think in Toronto Star or in one of the biggest newspapers, maybe Globe and Mail, few weeks back, they said a couple offered to pay a landlord 2 years rent in advance and they still lost the rental in multiple offers in Toronto. Just Google it and you will see the article. So all in all, guys, our team at Supermax, we are busy with our clients. We are negotiating good deals for them every day because I feel buyers have a great opportunity. A lot of these mid-tier cities in GTA or around, in Ontario, it is kind of buyer's market. We have a lot of supply, lot of options, whether it's pre-construction or resale. Give us a call. There's not many multiple offers in some of those small towns. Inventory is still a challenge in many big cities. A lot of folks are not putting their houses up for sale. They want to upgrade, but the rates are making it tough for homeowners to jump into the bigger property, putting the pressure. So if you want to know what is happening in today's crazy market, or you're a seller looking to know the house values anywhere in GTA, Kitchener-Waterloo, London, Windsor, give Team Supermax a call. You can reach me on my cell phone 647-961-2639, or you can visit my website supermaxrealty.ca. Again, this is Jimmy Singh. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.